In this class, we will extend our discussion of line graph 1 from where we have left in the two previous classes. In the two classes, we have solved question number from 96 to question number 98. So in this class, we will take up first the question number 99. Okay, the question number 99 says, what is the respective ratio of the total production in tons of company A to the total sales in terms of company A? So the question is very easy because this is depend on this particular line graph only, which is about company A only. The graph given will represent the production in tons and sales in tons of company A. So what is the respective ratio of the total production? But here we have to actually sum up all the production from 2006 to 2011. So the required ratio is for the production and sales for company A in all years, we can say. So let's first of all sum the production from starting from the 2006. From 2006, the production shows in this line. So 2006 we have done it earlier also. It is 750. It is 750 plus 2007 800 plus 2008 600 2009, that is 550 plus 2010 700 plus 2011, that is 650. This is the total production divided by total sales represented by this line. So 2006 the sale is 300 plus 2007 550, then 2008 450, 2009 is 400, 2010 is 500, and 2011 is 550. So if we sum up the numerator, what we get here, 8 plus 6, that is 1400 plus 750 plus 550 will get 1300 plus 1400, that is 2700 plus 700 will get 3400 plus 650, that is 3400 is 650, that is 4050. Simple addition. Similarly, in the denominator we will get we add up to get this is 5 plus 4 9 1000 1300 plus 4, that is 1700, 2200 plus 550, that is 2750. Okay, this 0 will go, so we'll divide it by 5. 5 8s are 5 1 5 5 25 25 55. So 81 divided by 55. So the required ratio is 81 is to 55. So let's see which option is correct. 81 is to 55. The option 5th is correct. So let's take up the question number 100, the last question. Question number 100, that says, what is the respective ratio of production of company B in tons in the year 2006 to the production of company B in tons in the year 2008? So here we need data for company B, so we will have to use this particular data table in order to get these values. So we need ratio of production for company B for 2006 to the production again for B in the year 2008. So as we have done in the previous class for question number 98, since this line graph shows the data for production and sales for company A only, and there is a relation given between the company A and B for both production and sales. So for example, in 2006, the ratio of production is 5:4. So that means if 5x, let's say 5x belongs to the production of A in 2006, which is for 2006 the production of A is 750. So if 750 is the production of A, which is 5x, then what will be the value corresponding to 4x? So basically, as we have done in the previous 98th question also, it can be said as 4 by 5 multiplied by the production of A, that is 750. Similarly, for 2008, the production of A is 600 and the ratio is 3:4. So 4 by 3 into 600. So let's calculate that. Here we will get 5 1 5 2 5 150, that is 600 divided by 3 200, 2 into 4, that is 800. So 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4, or we can write 3:4. So that is the required ratio, and let's see which option is correct. The option 3 is correct. So in this way we have solved this question. We will see more data interpretation question in the next class.